In front of me I've got XIAOMI Black Shark 3, and let me show you how to clear browsing data on the following device. So first of all, you have to open the browser that you are using. In my case it is Google Chrome. Then tap on the More icon, click on History, and here you've got all data stored in your Google Chrome history. Click on Clear Browsing Data then, and select some basic and advanced options. So under basic you will find browsing history, cookies and site data, and also cached images and files. And under advanced you have 3 more, and these are saved passwords, autofill from data, and also site settings. And just mark those that you would like to remove. Obviously you can unmark whichever you only want to, and then select the time range. You can pick 24 hours, 7 days, 4 weeks, all time, or last hour only. I will pick all time, and finally click on Clear Data. And click on Clear to finish the whole operation. And that's it. You've just removed all data from your browsing history. Now you can create it from scratch. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.